If you have forgotten your NFL.com password or just want to change it for your security, I will show you how to reset it in just few simple steps. I will show you exactly how to reset it. First, launch your NFL app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Navigate to the option Edit My Account. Now navigate to the option Change Password. Now from here you can easily change your password. First of all, you'll need to type in your current password. In case you have forgotten your current password, you can click on the option Forget Password and reset it. If you remember it, type in that, then type in the new password. Once you are done, click on the option Confirm Password and your password will be updated. So this is how you can easily reset your NFL account's password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.